Hey guys, welcome back to Naughty Pie in Life. Thanks for stopping by our neck of the Northwoods. We appreciate it. Today I've got a quick video, another DIY video on a vehicle maintenance issue that you're more than likely to run into at some point if you own a vehicle, for 10 years or more, let's say. So the job that we're doing today is replacing these here. These are called the hood support struts, and these are gas powered. This procedure that I'm showing you will work on anything that has a hood strut on it, or strut in general. A lot of the trunks on vehicles will have something similar to these, so the process is the same. These are gas charged. You can actually get these refilled, recharged, but I choose to just, for the price, I choose to just buy a new set. So right now I'm working on the passenger side. I've already replaced the driver's side, and this particular vehicle is a 2006 Ford F-150, and what I wanted to show you was that hopefully there's enough light left, but you can see this is the tab here that you have to loosen on both ends. Okay, you have to loosen this tab as well. This is the bottom tab, but you have to, typically it's wide enough to get a screwdriver in, but I found on this particular model vehicle that you cannot get a screwdriver in, and I actually had to use a pick in order to get underneath the tab, and you have to loosen it and then get it to pop up. And then once you get it to pop up, both ends, it'll come off. So I've got the old one here on the passenger side. I've already went ahead and popped off the tabs just for the sake of time. So this should theoretically come right off because the tabs are loosened. And of course now the tab, with me moving it on the top, wiggle back on. So I got the top off, the bottom. Alright, there you go. There's the old one. Set that over here off camera. Here's the new one. Now let's see if what worked the last time on the driver's side will work on the passenger side. I actually, on the driver's side, did not have to loosen the clip, because typically you have to loosen the clip the same way as you did when you were taking it off on the top and the bottom. Okay, right here. But what I did was I put some dielectric grease inside both orifices, and I put it on the little tabs that they both connect to, and it slid right on. So let's see if that will work on the passenger side. So there we go. Passenger side just went on. And now let's see push up on the hood a little bit. We'll see the driver's side will go on as well. And it appears that it did. Everything's firmly in place. Well, it seems to have worked. Yep. Can't pull it off. Can't pull off the top. So here's a little trick for you. Hope you learned something today. If you liked this video and you found it useful, you found that hopefully I always make videos that try to save people's money, and hopefully this is one of those things that you can do yourself now. If you liked it, drop a comment, hit that thumbs up button. Let me know what you liked or what you didn't like about the video. Let me know any tips, tricks that you might have of your own for doing the same job. Your feedback is always welcome. If you're new here, please consider joining our Knotty Pine Life family. And for everybody that watches and supports our small little family channel, we greatly appreciate every one of you. It means a lot. And until next time, stay healthy, stay safe, and stay tuned.